Working with SQL Server databases and got a BACPAC file. This is a complete database export package used for migration and deployment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these SQL Server Data-tier Application package files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the BACPAC error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. BACPAC files are data-tier application package files used by Microsoft SQL Server and Azure SQL Database for database migration and deployment. They contain complete database schema and data in a portable format, enabling database export, import, and movement between SQL Server instances and cloud platforms. BACPAC files use a zip-based container format storing database schema as XML model files and data as BCP format files. The structure includes schema definitions, stored procedures, table data, and metadata following the DAC Data-tier Application specification for portable database packaging. The fundamental reading standard for BACPAC is set by SQL Server Management Studio from Microsoft. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows cannot display meaningful content from these files, so dedicated database tools are required to read them. Open the menu by right-clicking your BACPAC file and choosing Open With. Test SQL Server Management Studio first, if it is visible. If not, select another application. Different tools have different strengths with specific formats. If the BACPAC file won't budge, stay calm. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, importing in SQL Server Management Studio. Launch SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, and connect to your SQL Server instance. Right-click Databases in Object Explorer and select Import Data-tier Application. Browse to the BACPAC file to import the complete database schema and data into a new database on your server. Next, using Azure Portal. For Azure SQL Database, use the Azure Portal to import BACPAC files. Navigate to your SQL Server resource and select Import Database. Upload the BACPAC file from local storage or Azure Storage account. Configure database settings and Azure handles the import process automatically. Finally, examining contents. Rename the BACPAC file to .zip and extract with 7-zip or WinRAR to examine the contents. The extracted folder reveals the schema model XML files and BCP data files. This is useful for inspecting package contents or extracting specific schema or data components. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.